Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M8 competition versus the Koenigsegg Jesko. We'll explore their fundamental differences, from their design philosophies to their target audiences, helping you understand which vehicle aligns with your automotive desires. This comparison highlights the distinct engineering and performance goals of each manufacturer. When it comes to raw power, the numbers tell a clear story. The BMW M8 competition offers impressive performance for a luxury car, with 617 horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time as low as 2.5 seconds. However, the Koenigsegg Jesko, with its 1,600 horsepower and a theoretical top speed exceeding 310 miles per hour, operates on an entirely different level of extreme performance. The driving experience diverges significantly. The BMW M8 competition excels as a sophisticated grand tourer, blending immense power with a plush, tech-filled cabin perfect for daily commutes or long journeys. In contrast, the Koenigsegg Jesko is engineered for the track, offering a raw, exhilarating, and highly focused experience where every component is optimized for speed and handling, making it less suited for everyday practicality. Ultimately, the choice between these two incredible machines depends on your priorities. The BMW M8 competition offers exceptional luxury and performance at a relatively accessible price point for its class, making it a fantastic high-end daily driver. The Koenigsegg Jesko, however, is a rare, multi-million-dollar hypercar built for breaking records and offering an unparalleled, exclusive driving thrill. It's a collector's item, a statement of ultimate automotive engineering. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.